How to set navigation route. To set navigation destination, take a look at the screen display and next go to Navigation. Tap Search and now enter address. You can also navigate to points of interest. Tap Select and it's done. To stop navigation route,
Make a U-turn where possible, then, at the end of the road, turn right.
enter menu and select Delete route. Confirm and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.